Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make easy baked garlic butter lobster tail. Please stick around and watch this video. First, you want to go ahead and wash your lobster. And now we're just going to take off these underneath the back. Just going to clip them off with our kitchen shears. You don't have to take them off, but I'm just taking mine off. If you'd like yours on, you can keep them. So we get rid of it. Now we're just gonna press on the back of the lobster like this. For when we're cutting it out, it can be much easier to take out. Okay, we're gonna butterfly the lobster tails. So we're just gonna cut right down in the center. And then we're going to use our hands to kind of like push the meat forward. And then we're just going to take it underneath with our finger like this and try our best as possible not to break up the lobster. Okay? So we're just trying to remove it from the shell. So after we remove it from the shell, we're just gonna pop it over the shell like this. And this is how you butterfly your lobster. See that? Beautiful. So I'm just going to repeat the same process that I did before. So you just want to push this down like this so you can have the meat to come out easily. We're going to cut down. Then we're just going to take it out. And there you have it. Before doing anything else, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven on 400 degrees. Now it's time to make the garlic butter sauce. I have 3 cloves of garlic and I have 1/4 cup of melted butter. 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of Badia complete seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of paprika. And I have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Add half of lemon. As you know, seafood and lemon is a very good combo, right? So we add the lemon in there. So we're gonna mix this good together. And now we're just gonna add these onto our lobster. Oh my God. Gonna do underneath the lobster because we want some flavor to be there, right? We just don't want on top of the lobster to be seasoned. We also want underneath the lobster. All right. You don't want to put too much salt on lobster because lobster is coming from the sea and the sea has a lot of salt in it, so you just want to add just generous amount of seasoning, because this will get really distasteful if you add too much seasoning and too much salt to the lobster. You're not going to taste the good flavor from it. So please do not overdo with the seasoning. Now we're just going to add some splash of paprika on top. You don't have to. About a teaspoon of parsley. There's the oven, and now it's time to pop these in, and we're gonna bake this for somewhere around 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and tender but not overcooked. And here you have it, guys, the finished product. This is my lobster tails, and they're looking beautiful. They're smelling so garlicky with all that butter and butter sauce on it. Guys, if you reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also leave me a comment down below if you like this video. And now we're gonna do the taste test. This is looking delicious. Let me give you guys a closer look into it. I'm telling you guys, when I said this recipe is bomb, you need to try it out. Okay, so now we're just gonna cut into our lobster tail. And this was cooking for 15 minutes, guys, and this is how you want it. You don't want it to be curled up and get rubbery. So now we're gonna dig into it. This is nice and juicy. You can taste the garlic butter flavor, that hint of lemon. Guys, this is tasting amazing, and so do you. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.